This is a follow-up on my chiller player piano. Uh, I took the tracker bar completely out with all the lead tubings and the connecting rail to try to eliminate all vacuum leaks from it. I could not, but it's at a fair stage now. What I've noticed is that sometimes when you hit upon a screw, the vacuum will leak between the hole itself and the screw hole, and I've got some spots too that it really connects between the two passages in the wood itself, so I don't have a way of sealing that. But since it was running before, I guess it was running like that, so that shouldn't be a problem. And I've patched up a few of the tubings which were rotten, and I will apply another coat of polyester resin to it, and I think it pretty well should do its job for a while, because down the road I'm looking at completely removing all the lead tubings and replacing it with rubber tubings, but that's still a way down the road. So till then, just want to get the thing running. That's the stack itself. The bellows they don't appear to be cracked, and when I apply vacuum to it, they all collapse naturally, since the tracker bar isn't there and it isn't sealed. All the valves are acting as if they were full open, so all the bellows contract. So I figured that they're pretty well sealed. But when I put the vacuum on, when it was in the piano, I could see that a lot of the notes were striking by themselves. So I figured that it's more likely than they got dust and particles or whatever stuck on the valve. So I'll have to look into that later. Now I'm in the process of reinstalling the control bellow for the motor. I've sealed it with I didn't have the right rubberized fabric, so temporarily I used some upholstery veneer or imitation leather or whatever. I was able to stick it on there, and I'm in the process of reinstalling it to the chest itself. I'll be applying a slight coat of sealer on the gasket itself. The gasket again is just neoprene imitation leather they use in upholstery, since I don't have the leather to do it. Naturally, when I take it apart again to really refurbish it completely, I will be using original leather for it. So I'm up to that to now. So the next installment will be probably when I try the pump itself, the chest and the pumps, to see if everything is in order.